Welcome to School of Mass Communication. The courses we offer are 3 years BA JMC, 2 years MA JMC, and PhD Media Studies. The specialization we offer are radio, television, print, advertising. The other core areas are online journalism and new media, development communication, folk and traditional media, media laws and ethics, photography, film studies. Apart from these, English and current affairs and general knowledge are core courses in each semester. The USP, unique selling point or highlights of our programs are hands-on experience of media world like television, where students do interviews, audiovisual stories,
stands up to it.
Of course, till now, yes, of course.
जी हाँ, मैं गल कर रहा गौरव नागपाल जी दी। गौरव जी सच्ची गौरव जी।
तो चलिए करते हैं इनसे कुछ अनकही बातें।
Thank you.
And to be in public service, you have to be an all-rounder.
नेगेटिव यूज करांगे हर एक चीज़ ਦਾ नुकसान ने, पॉजिटिव यूज करांगे तो कोई नुकसान नहीं हैगा।
मानने वाले ना सब एकजुट हो करके तालमेल के साथ रहें।
The inconsistency of water supply in the past week has left certain sectors of the city high and dry. With camera person Vidhu Khanna, Urvashi Sharma, Chitkara News.
live bulletin production, which is streamed on various platforms like YouTube, so the world watches their work.
नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं चितकारा न्यूज़ और मैं हूं गौरव राजपूत। मॉर्निंग आवर में सबसे पहले नजर आज की सुर्खियों पर।
हमें बताएं कि कॉरिडोर खुलने पर लोगों का क्या कहना है।
कहीं पे अगर पानी इकट्ठा हो रहा है, वहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा मच्छर आ रहे हैं, तो आसपास गंदगी की वजह से उन्हें बहुत दिक्कत आ रही है।
Students produce short films and documentaries as their major project.
बड़े मुश्किल से पीछे छुड़ाया उन लोगों से।
I want to be alone.
क्या 10th का रिजल्ट आ गया?
छूआछूत के हमारे देवी देवता हिमाचल के देवता तो बड़ा खरीद रखते हैं।
तभी तो इस शहर को इश्क शहर के नाम से नवाजा गया है।
Students do panel discussion on TV sets with multiple camera production where audience also participates. The whole show like script, anchor, experts, floor, lighting, audio, live switching is managed by students only.
Don't worry, give your point, wait, a time will come. Based on your merit, people will start listening to you. I have gone through this kind of thing myself.
So how do you people get affected by these fake news?
We expose ourselves to these platforms. That is why we are trapped in such fake news.
Radio is another field where we are doing live broadcast for non-stop 48 hours. We are participating in World Radio Marathon, and through it, our students' work is going to around 100 countries, and that too from more than 500 radio stations.
This is World College Radio Day, a day where college radio stations across the globe unite to celebrate the most powerful medium.
Our students work on all the forms of radio and are trained in scripting, recording, editing, and doing on-air live production with phono and interviews in between. They also do dubbing. In radio, the students produce radio feature, radio drama, interviews, talks, discussions, podcasting, and their hands-on exposure with equipments make them highly placeable in radio industry.
भारत के 7 पवित्र नगरों में से एक ये नगर है हरि का द्वार, हरिद्वार।
सरपंच जी, आप एक बार अस्पताल तो हो आओ, जांच ही करवा लो।
अरे खांसी ही तो है मास्टर जी।
पद्मश्री टॉम अल्टर हमारे बीच हैं। डायरेक्शन कब से?
डायरेक्शन इसी साल मैंने शुरू किया है
जी।
So would like to start with a very nice quote which is from Michelle Obama.
तो क्यों ना चर्चा को आगे बढ़ाया जाए और बात की जाए किताबों के खूबसूरत संसार की।
As extension activities, the students go to nearby villages to produce program for radio. We also invite experts from local, regional, state, national and international level so that they may address pertinent issues through radio waves.
ਤੇ ਸਰ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਦੀ ਜਨਸੰਖਿਆ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਹੈ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਪਿੰਡ ਦੀ?
ਸਾਡੇ ਦੀ 1200
56 वोट है।
हाँ जी।
प्लस 2 की जो टेक्स्ट बुक है उस पर काम कर रहा है।
जो बच्चे 10th और प्लस 2 की पढ़ाई बीच में छोड़कर घर बैठ जाते हैं और आगे पढ़ाई को नहीं कंटिन्यू करते, इसमें आप क्या कहेंगे?
5 लाख युवा वोटर्स को हम रजिस्ट्रेशन किया है।
The students who opt print specialization learn reporting, writing, editing, page designing technique, and bring out various publications, lab journals regularly. They also write for various print media, and their expressions get placed in dailies, and they are awarded too for their writings. Advertising and public relations are the two fields where our students are exposed to, and they create campaigns for various product, service and ideas, and that too for all media, print, radio, television and online.
Someone who wants success.
Reading Rejoice Kitabi Dunia, now available for download on both iOS and Android.
Our students and faculty has been part of MODO Mobile Documentary Project, which was sponsored by Finnish Broadcasting Corporation, Finland. It was worth rupees 75 lakhs. In this project, documentaries were produced by students in India and also in Finland, and these documentaries were shown on YLA TV. Our school attracts international students for 3 years degree program or 2 years postgraduate program, and also for semester exchange.
This is Jahanara Bhuya with camera person Kabir.
With cameraman Fidu, this is Nikki, Chitkara News.
With camera person Withdrawal, this is reporter Srin from Chitkara News, Rajpura.
Similarly, our students also go for international semester exchange program. Our students have won many laurels in various media fests and have lifted overall trophies, prize and recognition a lot. The final year students of BA JMC and MA JMC host Media Fest Udan for the past 10 years, which is the only media fest in India being organized without any break, and 15 events pertaining to media only are conducted. Every year, around 300 students of around 30 media institutions, universities and departments take part in it. Renowned international faculty, professionals, experts keep visiting the School of Mass Communication, and they interact with students by conducting workshop, hands-on practical training and lecture, visits to media houses, taking part in live shows on television are regular features of our school, so that students may get exposed to real media environment. In the last semester of BA JMC and MA JMC program, our students do compulsory internship in media houses, and many are absorbed then and there, which turns better placement records in the School of Mass Communications credit.
They told us each and everything about this media world. We were given a right chance by Chitkara University.
Guidance from all the teachers and especially from the dean sir have helped me a lot in my career.
Learning. मतलब जितना सीखा है उन्होंने ही सिखाया है और सीखना मैंने उनसे सीखा है. समझ जाओगे?
सही कह रहा है. तो जैसे इसने लर्निंग का है तो मेरे को लगता है कि लर्निंग के साथ एक और चीज जरूरी होती है जो आप करोगे तो हमेशा लाइफ में बंदा अचीव करता है कुछ ना कुछ. दैट इज वर्किंग हार्ड, एंड आई थिंक चित्कारा स्कूल ऑफ मास कम्युनिकेशन वाज वन प्लेस व्हिच एक्चुअली टॉट मी कि अगर आप हार्ड वर्क करोगे, no matter when whatever comes your way, you are going to achieve.
I got placed in one of the biggest organization in the television industry, so Chitkara is love.
मेरा एक्सपीरियंस मेरे डिपार्टमेंट को लेकर के काफ़ी अच्छा रहा, जो बैचलर्स इन जर्नलिज्म एंड मास कम्युनिकेशन का.
The Chitkara School of Mass Communication, I would say, is more like home to me. वहाँ पे हमेशा आना अच्छा लगता है, आके खुशी मिलती है, एंड मैं ये बहुत प्राउडली बोलती हूँ that अगर मैं वहाँ पे नहीं होती तो मैं यहाँ पे तो कतई नहीं होती.
All the basics जो मैंने सीखे चित्कारा School of Mass Communication से, वो आज भी मेरे काम आ रहे हैं. I am working in a radio station. Obviously, SoundForge, Nuendo are the softwares for me, but Final Cut Pro, is helping me a lot to edit my videos because radio is also turning into a digital media.
They will teach you with the mere perfection all the subjects. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक subject बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाया जाता है और दूसरा नहीं. Every subject is thoroughly taught and with the practical exposure.
Chitkara has been a turning point in my career, and I can't be thankful enough for all the faculty members and teachers of Chitkara School of Mass Communication.
Writing research papers, guiding PhD, doing consultancy and collaborative projects are also part of achievements of faculty members of School of Mass Communication. Apart from teaching, our faculty and staff contribute in various ways to the society by encouraging students to take part in NSS activities, cultural programs at various levels, working in villages, especially 5 adopted nearby villages. Community radio, Radio Chitkara is one of the medium which is used to address listeners. Keeping in mind the vision and mission of the school, the faculty and staff with their expertise disseminate and imparts their knowledge to the students to help them excel in their career.